intelligence is helping learners make research quickly. Let's take a look. How many years can it take to search for a vocabulary? How many years can it take to search for a vocabulary in a smartphone by using your artificial intelligence? Only 1 minute when you are using a smartphone, but 10 minutes over 15 minutes when you are using a dictionary, which is written. This is to me that artificial intelligence has changed the way education system is working these days. And yet, this was the audience, I think you have gotten it. My name is Ivan Gabrieli, and I'm from GS Mohano. Allow me to continue my topic. Here it is, plus the audience. We are also dealing with artificial intelligence enhance teachers' assignments and teaching skills. Nowadays, teachers are using their smartphones, are using those artificial intelligence to search for assignments, search for new language skills which are going to help their students to understand where the risk is. This is to me that artificial intelligence has apparently changed the way we study, changed everything in education. But anyways, let's not ignore this. All greaters are not wrong. All greaters are not wrong. This is to me that artificial intelligence, although it has created effectiveness in education, also creating something which is a negativity. What is this negativity of artificial intelligence in education? The thing that it is creating is over-dependency through addiction. Over-dependency through addiction, which is being provided by artificial intelligence, it is making some students not concentrated to their respect, but others. Dear audience, we all here, we can put our inputs together and then use this artificial intelligence wisely. We use it appropriately so that it will be productive instead of being a challenge for us. So, dear audience, let's put our inputs together to make this artificial intelligence controlled by us, not controlling us. This is the way that if we do that, it will be very late. So, thank you very much.